In this video we are going to see how to install Parrot voice on your VirtualBox. So let's get started. First we have to go to Google and type Parrot voice. Enter. And here you can see parrotlinux.org and click on it. Now go down and select download and go down, and you can see there are many subdivisions in this, so we need for security purposes and hacking purpose, so select security. And now download this Parrot security made ISO. So you can download using any method, so I'm gonna click on direct download. You can see it's 4 GB file. You can see here it's downloading. Yeah, my download is successfully completed here. So now what we are going to do is we are going to open VirtualBox. Yeah. Now in the VirtualBox we are going to create a new session. So I'm gonna name it parrotos. Yeah. Now here type is Linux and version is Debian 64-bit and continue. So the RAM I recommend you 2 GB minimum or 1 GB is enough. So I give 2 GB. Now continue, create virtual hard disk VHD, next, dynamic adapted, next. So here it says to choose the storage you want to give for the voice. So I will give 90 GB, and here it is to select the location where you have to save. So I will select here. So here all my other voices also saved, so I am selecting here, and I will create a new folder and name it as Parrot voice. Enter. So okay, save. Now I will say create. You can see we have successfully created it. So now we are going to move to settings, and I am going to say system and processor. So I will give 4 cores and press OK. That's done. Now we are going to select start. You can see it's asking for an iso.image, so I will go to my desktop. So because my ISO is in desktop, the file which we have downloaded, so I will say choose and start. You can see it shows the various options, so we need installation, not any live mode or anything else. Go to install, and I will select install with GTK GUI. It's saying to select the language, so I will select English default, continue. It's saying to select the country, I will select India. And now it's asking to configure the keyboard. It's also a default American English. Now it's asking for the root password, so I will give any number. Give any password for this and say continue. And it's asking for the username, so I will give master virus. So it automatically took the first name, master, and now again it's asking for the password for new user. I'll give the same again. Yeah, here you have to select the use entire disk, the first one, and say continue. And the partition that we have made for this OS is, I gave it as 90 GB, but it takes extra. I don't know why it's so. And all files in one partition, continue. So here you also say continue. Say no and continue. And say yes and continue. I think now it takes a lot of time to install, so let's wait and see. So now it's asking to whether to install the grub bootloader or not. So I'll give yes and continue. And here it says enter device manager or select the device. I will select the device because our OS is in this disk only. So I'll say continue. So yeah, here it asks for the password. So you have to type the password which we have gave at installation. So I'm going to type the same here. So here you can see we have successfully booted in the Parrot OS. So the first thing I'm gonna make here is I will configure my display. So yes, we have successfully installed our Parrot OS, which is very light OS and very useful for the low-end PCs. And so please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.